Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to leave a group on Splitwise. Now the first thing I want you to do is of course launch Splitwise, and then here at the bottom left you'll see this icon with a bunch of people. Just click on this, this is groups, and then just open the group you want to leave. For me, I'll go ahead and leave London, this one right here, so you just tap on it, and then I want you to come to the top right. You will see this gear cog. This is settings, okay? Click here on settings. And now I want you to scroll all the way down right here. As you can see, it tells me there's an option right here that is leave group, but we cannot leave this group until our outstanding debts with the other group members have been paid. So you just remind them, and once they have paid, you just click here on settle up and go ahead and settle up their balance with them. And now if we come back, you'll see you are able to leave. Okay, then just click on leave group, and there you go. That is how you leave a group on Splitwise.